Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you 3 ways of storing lemons. These methods will allow the lemons to stay fresh for about 3 months. As you can see, this is our lemon tree. It doesn't look that big, but trust me, it produces way too many lemons. My mom usually forces my family to drink lemon water every single day to finish off these lemons, which is of course good, especially now during the COVID time. Before getting into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. So I freshly picked these lemons this morning. Look at the vibrant color of these fruits, they always amaze me. The main season for lemon crop is around winter and early spring in New Zealand, but using these methods that I'm about to show you will let these lemons stay fresh for 3 extra months. So the first method is basically wrapping newspaper around the entire lemon. Lemons are one of the fruits where you can use the zest, which is the skin, and also the inside. So this method will let you use the entire lemon later on. There are a lot of benefits which come with lemons. It promotes hydration, it aids digestion. The soluble fiber in lemons could help improve digestive health. However, you need to eat the pulp of the lemon, not just the juice. It's a very good source of vitamin C. Not just lemons, but any citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. It helps control weight. A common theory is that the soluble fiber in lemon expands in your stomach, helping you feel full for longer. So therefore it helps control weight. It helps prevent kidney stones and many more, and there is a lot of evidence out there backing up these benefits. They also add an intense flavor to food. So as you can see, I'm wrapping the lemons as well as folding the newspaper in the end, which locks the lemon so it's more secure. Now once it's all done, transfer all these wrapped lemons into a Ziploc bag. You can also use a normal plastic bag if you don't have a Ziploc bag. And what you want to do is make sure to let all the air out and close it. Put it in the refrigerator until further use. For this next method, cut the lemon into small pieces. I cut mine around 8 pieces. It will vary on how big your lemon is. Once you've finished cutting them, place the chopped lemons inside a Ziploc bag. Follow the same procedure as before. Ensure all air is out and close it. Freeze this, and this can last up to more than 3 months. The final method I'm showing you will be the lemons in form of ice cubes. I squeezed a lemon for this, and what I'm going to do is pour the lemon juice inside an ice cube tray, freeze it until set for a few hours, and place into a Ziploc bag and lock it. Freeze it and it can last up to more than 3 months. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, give this a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Bye!